After years of meticulous engineering, Porsche finally unveiled a fitting successor to the legendary Carrera GT supercar. The 918 Spyder is a plug-in hybrid marvel that astounds both purists and environmentalists alike. Harnessing a staggering 887 horsepower and 944 pound-foot of torque from its mid-mounted V8 engine and dual electric motors, one at each axle, the performance of this groundbreaking vehicle is nothing short of breathtaking. This particular example, presented in the ultra-rare and mesmerizing Python green, demonstrates its prowess with a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour, time of just 2.6 seconds, reaching 100 miles per hour in a mere 6.0 seconds. With a standing quarter mile of 10.2 seconds and a top speed of 211 miles per hour, this hybrid masterpiece has undoubtedly earned its place among the pantheon of supercar legends.